Hi, everyone. Roger Connect, President, Universal Accounting Center. I'm excited to actually just take a step outside of the lodge here at the Royal Creek Ranch and help you actually see how beautiful this place is. Now, before I do this, I want to just share with you something. The event on May 3rd and 4th is here at the lodge. It happens to be 30 minutes from the hotel. And as a trip from the hotel, we're going to be providing transportation back and forth. And so don't worry about transportation. With your staying at the hotel, you have all the amenities in the world that you would like. And if you chose to stay here at the ranch itself, they have actually accommodations here for you to basically experience the whole ranch as you would expect to experience a rustic experience in a comfortable environment. It's like lamping, if that's something you're familiar with. Regardless, here's what I want you to understand. When you come here after staying in your hotel the evening before and you join us here for the conference on May 3rd and May 4th, you're able to come via transportation to the ranch and experience something that is basically remote and rustic. I share this with you because this is going to be a chance for you to experience a retreat like you've never experienced before, a conference like you've never experienced before. Why? Because you're going to be able to step away from the day-to-day operations of your business, come out here, and yes, there is Wi-Fi, yes, there's electricity, but actually get away and now focus on yourself and, more importantly, your business to literally take it to a new frontier. And as we do this with this cowboy theme of actually working on your business, experience something brand new. You're going to be experiencing motivational speakers, business speakers that are going to help you actually focus on the things that matter most, getting clarity as to your business and services, focusing on marketing and sales strategies to ensure your growth, to ensure basically your profitability, that you're actually working efficiently to get the payment that you deserve as business owner, getting paid what you're worth, and building a business of value. So I invite you to join us on May 3rd and May 4th to work on your company and experience this amazing facility just 30 minutes away from your hotel so that you can actually experience something new and different on May 3rd and 4th. So do take care, and remember this, business success is universal. Take care, and I look forward to meeting and seeing you soon. Bye-bye.